Hey guys, how's it? Today I'm going to challenge Duolingo just one more time with Oscar. Let's start. Okay. I don't know what to... Oh, I don't have full energy. Chess matches. Play Oscar. Gentle XP for 10 minutes.
5, 6, 7, 8. Who can find a checkmate?
Okay. I know I can.
Guess I won't be promoting that pawn.
No. What?
Don't mind if I do. Check, please.
What? Is he good? I'm not sure.
Oh, beautiful queen.
Yes! I got his queen!
Chomp.
That was the easiest capture. Yes.
Zing.
No.
Suddenly, my confidence is shaken.
What? What does that
Courage,
mean?
Oscar.
Let's see where to put this. Here. Oh.
Ah, an even exchange.
An even exchange? I'm not sure to put. See? Here. I know. No, not in that very dangerous spot.
You took my bishop. My rook hath been took.
It's not yours anymore. Oh no.
Checked me.
Wait. Is this?
Oh, the audacity.
Oh, yes. I got both his rooks.
How could you? I'll take those points. Ah, check.
Now let's go get
Losing
the
builds
checkmate.
character. Especially if that character is me.
What does that mean? Victory. Voting me while I cry on the inside.
Dad, can we get Super Duolingo? We can do a free trial.
But what if you
I
change your
want
mind?
that.
What if I forget to cancel?
Don't worry. They send a reminder 2 days before your trial ends.
Huh? Okay.
Good.
I should win in the next round. You only 2 weeks from hitting your longest ever strike. Don't stop now. 2 weeks left. Friendship with Lucia Judge. Ooh, 70.
Our last match? Just a warm-up. Boop!
I don't think that's our last match.
Another one bites the dust.
What?
My apologies to your king. Sweet majesty.
Yeah.
Deep
Sorry,
breaths, Oscar.
and in exchange.
Goodbye, noble steed.
What is a noble steed? He meant a noble peace.
See you, little guy. Check.
Anna.
I'll admit it. That
He
one
got
hurt.
both my rooks.
Check.
Oh no.
Come on, genius. Don't fail me now.
What
Right.
are you
Showtime.
saying?
Snatched.
Ah.
I'll be taking that, Bishop.
No. Yes.
I would have chosen a queen, too.
How come I didn't see that?
And mine.
Boo.
Would you do that to your friend? Zing.
Actually, I don't have a friend.
Check, please.
Oh.
Nice exchange.
Hang on.
That was part of the plan. Check.
How to take that?
Checked me. Just don't let it go to your head.
Oh, I won! How come? You see how I win? I won 2 rounds with Oscar. Subscribe and follow me if you want to see how I won more rounds with Oscar. Bye-bye.